everyone, my name's Miss Schlater and I'm the K-8 art teacher at Bolton Elementary School. Today I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to log into Clever, how to navigate from Clever into Seesaw, and then how to navigate Seesaw and how to submit work in Seesaw. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen and just give you the quick tutorial. So what you're going to do is in your browser, you're going to type in clever.com. And when you do that, you're going to go to log in as a student, which is this blue button up here at the top right corner. And if you are already logged into your student's Office 365 email, all you need to do is click right here. If you aren't though, every student was given an email address, a Clever login username, and a password. The password works for both your email and the Clever login. So you're going to click on Clever login and you're going to put your student's name, their Clever login, right here. And then you're going to type in their password. Passwords are case sensitive. So that means if there's an uppercase letter, you have to use it. Once you've gotten there, you're going to click login and it's going to take you right in to Clever. And you're going to see in Clever that you've got teacher pages. And so Miss Haas has a page right here, Miss Price has a page, Miss Benford has a page. And these are all the different apps that those teachers use, and this is how you can get to them. So to get back to the main page, you just click that back button. And the two main apps that we are using are Seesaw, right here, and Schoology. You'll find them under Core Curriculum. If you happen to go in and click that heart button, it will put them right at the top of your page so you don't have to scroll. You can just come right into Clever and find them. So today we're going to be looking at Seesaw. So you're already logged into Clever. So all you need to do is click on Seesaw and it will take you right to your student's main page. So you just got to wait a minute for it to load. And now I am in Miss Haas's first grade art class. So you'll see up here that your student's name is up here. That red oval with the numbers in it means how many activities that student has that have yet to be completed. So if I click on here, I will see all the different art classes that your student can join. So we've got first grade art right here, Mr. Cole's music class, Miss Haas's English class, Miss Haas's math class, Mr. Klein's phys ed, and Miss Benford's media class. So first off, so we are already in the first grade art. So you can go ahead and look around when you're in that. You'll see we have a journal. And if I click on class journal, you're going to see all the different works and things that everybody in the class has submitted. If you go to activities, you just click on this nice little light bulb right here. And this will show you all of the different activities that are due. Each activity asks you to do something different. And if you look at the activities, as you scroll, you'll see some of them have just a picture, which if you click on, it'll show you what you need to do. It'll have the written description of what you need to do, or you might see this play button. If you click that play button, it will play the instructions out loud. Let's make the color green. Color the first mouse blue. Use your drawing tool and choose blue. Color the mouse. Color the second mouse yellow. Use your drawing tool and choose yellow. Color the mouse. Blue and yellow make green. Color the last mouse green. Use your drawing tool and choose green. Color the mouse. So now that I know what I need to do, all I need to do is go and click Add Response, this big green plus button. So I'm going to click Add Response, and it will take me to the template. And you'll see there's all sorts of different things that you can do. For this one, I've got a drawing, a pencil, a marker, a highlighter, this special marker, and an eraser. So I'm going to click the marker, and if I click twice on it, I can pick different sizes. Same with the highlighter. If I click, I can click different sizes, and I'm going to do what it says. It says color me blue. So I'm going to look for blue, and I'm just going to click on my mouse and color him blue. And then I'm going to switch the color, go to color this one yellow. And then the last one was green. So I'm going to color this one green. If you don't like that, you can go to erase and erase some. Change the color maybe. So maybe I want a brighter green color in that mouse. When this is all done, you're going to go up here to the right top corner, and there are two buttons. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see them with where Zoom puts my picture, but we've got the draft button, so I can click that and it'll save it if I want to come back to it later. Or there's a green circle with a white check mark in it. If you click that, it will submit the work. So now let's go take a look at a different activity. So this activity was really fun. So I'm going to click this. Press the Add a Response button. Use the camera tool to take a photo of yourself. Use the drawing tool to add lots of crazy, colorful hair. Use lots of different colors and types of lines. Press the check mark button to upload your work. So for this one, I'm going to click the Add Response. And you'll see that you can do many different things here. I can take a photo, I can draw something, I can create a video, I can upload a picture from my phone or from my tablet or from my laptop. I can write notes, or I can post a link to something. So for this one, I'm going to click Photo. And there are 3 buttons that I can use to take a photo. So I'm going to pick any of those buttons and click it. And now I can use those drawing tools to start drawing on some crazy hair. So I can draw all sorts of things. And then again, all I need to do when I'm done is click that green check mark up at the top right-hand corner. If I don't like something, I can click this back button and it'll undo whatever I drew. If I decide, oh, I didn't want to do that, I can click the right button and it'll bring it back. I can crop. Oh, I'm sorry, that's not crop, that's draw. So I can click that and draw. I can click this button and magnify it. Whoop, that's my face. Or I can delete it altogether and start over. If you do press that delete button, see, it will ask to make sure that that's what you want to do. Otherwise, when I'm done, I click the green check mark and it submits it. There's one other type of thing that you can do in my class, at least. So some of the things I have you do is trace. I'll have some students draw things, or they'll fill in the blanks. But I also have students do sorting.
Tap the green Add button to begin. Tap your name. Tap the Move tool. Drag each shape to the correct section. Tap the microphone. Tell us what you sorted. Post your work.
So for this one, I'm going to go back again, click Add Response, and it's going to bring me right to the template. Now down here at the bottom, with all of those tools, there's a hand with a finger pointing up. If you click on that, what it lets me do is grab and drag. You have to press and drag everything that you want to sort all of those tools or all of those shapes. So this one was a color sorting project. So once everything's done, you can also go over here to this microphone button and record your voice. For this, I put all of the red shapes in red, all of the yellow shapes in yellow, all of the green shapes in green, and all of the blue shapes in blue. To finish recording, I click the Done button up at the top right-hand corner, and now I can listen to it. For this, I put all of the red shapes in red, all of the yellow shapes in yellow, all of the green shapes in green, and all of the blue shapes in blue. When you finish recording, I click the Done. When you're done, you can click that green check mark up at the top. If you want to, you could click the T, and it lets you, oops. Oh boy. And it will let you type in something if you want to add words to it. And then you click the check mark up at the top when you are done. You'll also see that there's an inbox over here. Any class announcements are sent out through here. You might even get notifications that things in the class are happening here. And then you can go up here to go to any other class. So here we see Miss Haas's class for English has a project, Would You Let the Pigeon Get a Puppy? Yes or no? And so you can go to activities. She's got some read alouds on here, some different projects where you can use the drawing tool to create crazy silly socks. And these are all the different activities that you need to complete. I hope that that was a clear tutorial, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact any of the teachers or contact the school or Ms. King, and we will try to help you out as much as we can. Again, I hope this tutorial was helpful, and be on the lookout for other tutorials in the future. If you have a student that is in 3rd through 8th grade, there's also a Schoology tutorial out that you can use on how to submit work in Schoology, as well as how to navigate Schoology and the tutorials there. Have a great day.